just want you to bring to the attention, right? To preserve the old history, to bring about reviving the historical, archaeological, and the artifacts. They're spending 24,579,500 euros, right? And for a war that's been going on in Europe just now, how much of money, how much of resources, how much of waste effort has been invested in that? Just defies my understanding. Defies my understanding how we can continue this. Don't know. I'm lost for words. Please come and guide me to somewhere that it makes sense of conscious nature, because what we have here is history. What we also have in faraway lands that are being destroyed as we speak is also history and deep woven fabric of traditions, cultures, way of life, the human ingenuity, knowledge, all been simply burned out by dropping nonsense, the human nonsense, on faraway lands. And it's a painful reality that doesn't seem to connect into the realities of human understanding, because education is not about holding a conscious and meaningful life. It is about targets, achievements, goals, selfish individual ideals being upheld, rather than the more fundamental beauty of the history, the land, the traditions, the way of life. Look at the ornate facade of this beautiful museum. One time, I presume, stood here as a church. As you can see, look at this opulent, grandeur entrance still, where they would come in, which was one of the things which was all about. Across the world, these arch windows was another. In those days, they would have looted and robbed, so they had those grills to keep all the thieves away. But today, it's all about, oh my goodness, look at this entrance for a starters. It's fantastic. Magnificent, folks. Words can't express the beauty of this place, how much effort has gone into the skill of people, their mind, their willingness, their entire life invested in making this place a grandeur and incredible. Yet we are ready to ignore all of this and looking for things that are artificial, life can't explain.